If you have less than 10K followers, here's how you get this swipe up feature on Instagram story. Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about this new Instagram story feature that will help you save time while making stories and does not require you to download any other app like Unfold or Canva. Gotta clear out the memory space because you know a girl needs it for a million selfies. The tricks I'm about to show you are going to make your stories more interesting to watch, and like I said in my previous video, you don't want people swiping out of your stories because that's going to hurt your ranking. You guys seem to really enjoy my last two videos, and some of you have actually gained followers by watching that videos. If you want to see that video, I'll link it right here and I'll also link it down below. The first tip I'm going to show you is how I made this photo, and it's a before and after of one of my students on my Instagram course. So this is perfect for business owners who want to show before and after photos of their clients. This is also great for Instagram influencers or photographers who want to show before and after versions of their photos. Or if you simply want to show more than one photo on one screen, this is how you do it. So first I'm going to take a selfie because I don't have enough already. Thank God for Photoshop. I'm going to take a random photo. So I'm going to click the marker tool, click on the color that I want, hold down on the screen. I'm going to go to my camera roll. Hopefully I don't have any nudes. Going to click copy and then the type tool, and here's one selfie. Then we go back to the other selfie. Man, it looks so horrible. Click copy. Click on the text tool and paste, and there you go. Now you have two photos side by side on one screen, and obviously you can add more to that. And if you're doing a before and after photo, you should always be adding arrows just to make it look more interesting, and you should also be using GIFs. Okay girl. You can also add cute frames to it and GIFs. It's the same process. So let's just go frames, and you want to make sure that you're looking for a transparent background, so let's click transparent. And you want to make sure that it has a gray and white checkered background in the back, so let's just go save image. Let's go to our photos, click copy, go back to your Instagram stories and click paste. And now we have our custom frame that we added. Next, I want to show you how to get the swipe up feature on Instagram story when you have less than 10K followers. So first, all you have to do is make an IGTV talking about your website and pointing to the left hand corner, because when they click on the title, they will be linked to the description, which is your link in the website. When you upload the video onto IGTV, in the title you should write click here to watch. You want to make sure that you're using arrows pointing down so it is very clear where people need to click. And in the description box, you put the link that you want to link to. Next, you want to make an Instagram story talking about your website and then link it to your IGTV. Hey everyone, I just uploaded a new YouTube video showing you how to get the swipe up feature with less than 10K followers. Next, I want to show you a story of how to make it look like there's flashing light or stars. So let's go to my story, and I don't want to show you my messy room. So I'm just going to go back and forth with my finger over the camera like this. Next, I'm going to click on the marker tool and click the color black, hold down on the screen. Then I'm going to use the eraser tool and just make little dots. Oh, that might be too big. Let's just undo those. Little size dots. You can switch out the sizes too to make it look even better. And then I also want to go into the neon, and let's just use the color yellow to make it even look shinier or sparklier. And there you go. It looks so sparkly. This is a side tip. If you ever want to kind of reveal a photo, say you just posted a most recent photo and you kind of want to show a little bit of it, well, you can do it like this. Click on the marker tool, click on black, hold down on the screen, and then click the eraser tool, and then you can kind of review the photo. So that just makes things a little bit more interesting when you want to reveal a little bit of the photo. This next tip will show you how to hide hashtags in your story a different way than what I talked about in the previous video. So if you didn't watch my previous video, one of the reasons why you want to be using hashtags in your stories is to increase views. And if you want to hear the full explanation of why you should be using them, I'll link the video right here or down below. So let's just choose this photo over here. Let's just click the arrow next to the comments so we can post it on our story. You have to click on the little dropper tool on the left. Then you'll see that when I move the dropper tool around, it will blend in with the color of the background. Let's make the hashtag smaller. Then I'll drag it down to the color where I chose. And there you go, so you can't even see the hashtag. Next, I want to show you how to make a rainbow color or gradient color font. What you have to do is hold down with your left finger like that, and with your right finger The last couple of tips I want to show you will help increase views and engagement on your most recent post. So you want to be doing these steps as soon as you post a new photo. So let's just say I have a new post. I'm going to take a screenshot of my profile. Then I'll go into the marker tool, click on the marker that is second from the left. So let's use the kind of grayish color here. Click and hold down on the screen. And then you want to click the eraser tool and erase. And then let's just go back to the first felt pen. Actually, let's just do the neon one so you can actually see it. And then I'm just gonna write new post. And now people are more likely going to check out your new post. So the last tip I want to show you is great for anyone, but specifically for business coaches, because I see this a lot when coaches want to share their client testimonials and it just looks so messy on the screen and people don't know where to read. You need to make the screen very easy for your audience to read. So this is one of the messages I got from one of my followers who watched my hashtag video. If you didn't see it, watch it now. And she said she got more followers after watching that video. You might want to check it out now. So I'm going to screenshot this and I'm not going to add it to my story like that, because what you want to do is you want to crop that photo because you want your followers focusing on just the message itself. So you want to move this photo around however you like. I kind of like it like on the bottom. I usually do that, and I want to highlight the important part of the message. So she said she got more likes and more followers. So now you can see that the message is very clear that she got more likes and more followers. You can also say she got more likes and more followers after watching my hashtag video, and then link it to your video. So I'm actually going to do that. And then I always like to add the arrows in just so it makes it look more aesthetically pleasing and people know where to kind of direct the focus to. And then I also like to underline the important parts of the message, and I like to sometimes circle it too, so it just makes it more focused on that part of the message. And that is all I have for you today. If you want to win an Instagram audit, be sure to watch my Instagram stories where I post all my giveaways and contests, and I do reward my most engaged followers. So be sure to comment and like my photos because I do read and reply to every single comment. If you want to stay more connected with me, or if you want to ask me any more questions, I hang out mostly in my Facebook group. All you have to do is type Into Evolution into Facebook and request to join. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell.